Drew Crow here with Make It in Illinois, and I'm with a straight rock star right here, Aiden. He made it in Illinois. He is a graduate of Lincoln Land Community College, and he is already right here working at Simplex. Aiden, how long ago since you graduated?
I graduated last October, so it's been almost a year in October. I've worked here almost a year in July, and it's going pretty well.
So straight out of the classroom into the shop, I'm sure making some pretty decent money too, right?
Correct.
Okay. So are you in the same position that you started, or have you been growing? Have you been looking at other things
I'm
in the
still
shop?
growing. Like I said, I'm only not even a year in here.
Yeah.
But it helps me take from my book smarts that I learned in the schooling, and now I can do hands-on and learn all the things I learned, how to use my multimeter, all the symbols, how to work with teammates, because everything you can't figure out by yourself.
Yeah, awesome. So what advice can you give a high school student right now that's maybe looking at your pathway and they're saying, I don't know if I should take it, I don't know what I should do? How can you encourage them to get into manufacturing and level up like you did, Aiden?
Well, I would say how much it costs for college nowadays. I only had to pay about $10,000 in student loans.
Wow.
And that's about 5 times less than the average of, and that's for only 2 years. So if I was going for 4 years, I'd be making over $120,000 in student loans. And here, I've already had my student loans paid off. Within the first year of working here, I have it already paid off and ready to go. So I would say trades over college for sure. Even though you have to go to college and pay, it's not nearly as much as the average, I guess, bachelor's for 4 years is $120,000. You can do 2 years for $20,000, and then you can pay it off within a year.
And you could be making $120,000 way quicker, man. So like my dog said, trade skills, pay them bills. It'll stack you up. And I got one more thing. If Aiden can make it in Illinois, you can make it
In Illinois, baby.